Did you know that a unique coastal oasis in France is being shaped by winds that create one of Europe's most extraordinary ecosystems? Get ready to discover nature's hidden masterpiece. In the heart of Mediterranean Europe lies the Camargue, a remarkable coastal oasis where wind and water dance together to create life. Here, powerful seasonal winds sweep across the landscape, carrying thousands of seeds far and wide, painting the terrain with diverse plant species. These winds, born from complex Mediterranean weather patterns, don't just move seeds, they sculpt the very essence of this unique ecosystem. Salt-tolerant plants thrive alongside freshwater species, creating a patchwork of habitats that support everything from pink flamingos to wild horses. The real magic happens when these winds interact with the coastal geography. As air masses collide with the region's unique topography, they create microhabitats where rare species find refuge. This natural phenomenon has turned the Camargue into a living laboratory, showing us how weather patterns can nurture biodiversity. The oasis demonstrates nature's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive, even as climate conditions change. What other hidden connections between wind patterns and ecosystems might exist in coastal areas around the world? Share your thoughts below and join our journey exploring Earth's fascinating geographical mysteries.